The Stokk UC50 water filter boasts an impressive service life, lasting up to 26,000 gallons or 24 months, ensuring long-term peace of mind for users. This under-sink water filtration system excels at reducing impurities like lead, chlorine, and bad odors, while preserving essential minerals, providing safe and refreshing water. Certified by reputable organizations, it is constructed from high-quality, BPA-free, and lead-free materials, eliminating potential health risks associated with tap water. Installation of the Stokk UC50 is remarkably easy, with a twist-and-pull design allowing for quick and effortless filter replacements in just seconds. Crafted from premium natural carbon fiber, this filter not only prevents clogs but also enhances filtration efficiency and water flow rates. With a focus on taste improvement, the Stokk UC50 uses advanced carbon filter technology to remove odors and chlorine, delivering purer and fresher tasting water.